Hey guys, now I'm going to show you an example for when they tell me the time that the movie starts and they tell me how long the movie is, but they don't know what time the movie must have ended. So for example, let's say that I started watching a movie at 1:20. So I started watching my movie at 1:20. Then I have been given the information that the duration, which is another word for elapsed time, so the duration or elapsed time that I spent watching the movie was 1 hour and 25 minutes. So they told me how long my movie was, which was 1 hour and 25 minutes. But the mystery here is, when did my movie end? Well, we can figure that out by working it out on a number line. So let's take a look. So if we have our number line here, and we're going to start our number line at 1:20 because that's the time that my movie started. So here I am at 1:20. Now, I don't really have to worry too much about what my hops need to be. Sometimes I might break up some of it, so maybe I won't do 25 minutes all at once. Maybe I'll do it little by little, but I know that in the end, whatever I'm hopping should add up to an hour and 25 minutes. And it really just depends on if we're going past the hour, whether or not we have to break it up. So if I'm at 1:20 and I want to jump an hour and 25 minutes, I'm going to jump the hour first. The hour is a nice, easy jump to do. So if I jump an hour, from 1:20, I'm going to get to 2:20. We see that the hour goes from 1 to 2, but the minutes don't change. We're still at 20 minutes. So I'm going from 1:20 to 2:20, but now I need to add on 25 minutes. So one thing that I can do is I can look at my minutes currently, which is 20 minutes, and I can decide, can I add 25 minutes and not go past 60? Because if I go past 60, we know that on a clock, right, it's not going to be 8:62, right? You start back over at the next hour. So we don't want the minutes to go past 60 minutes because that means we're going to have to break up our time. Fortunately, 25 minutes, I don't have to worry about that because if I jump 25 minutes from 20 minutes, 20 plus 25 gives me 45. So if I hop from 2:20, 25 more minutes, I'm going to be at 2:45. My hour didn't change, but my minutes, I was at 20 minutes, and then I added on 25 more minutes, and 20 plus 25 gives me 45. So now I'm at 2:45. Before I'm finished, I'm going to check and make sure that whatever I hopped adds up to the same thing as my duration. In this case, I didn't have to break anything up. It was just straightforward, 1 hour, 25 minutes, 1 hour, 25 minutes. So I know I hopped the correct amount. And then I'm looking for the end time. Well, if I look on my number line, I'm looking to see what time it was when my number line ended, which is 2:45. Let's look at one where it does go past the hour. So let's say that it started at 1:45 and the duration was 1 hour and 30 minutes. Same thing, I'm going to start my number line, and I'm going to start it at my start time, which is 1:45. My duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes. The hour isn't going to be too bad. I can go ahead and hop the hour, no problem. So if I hop 1 hour from 1:45, I'm going to be at 2:45. But this is where it gets a little weird. If I try to do 45 plus 30, I'm going to get over 60, right? If I try to do 45 plus 30, I get 75. Can I say that it's 275? No, but I can break it up by 15 minutes. So if I hop to the hour, which is 3 o'clock, that's 15 minutes. And then I'm going to have to hop another 15 minutes because 15 and 15 makes 30 to get to 3:15. So it ended at 3:15. And I know it's the same elapsed time because 1 hour plus 15 plus 15, 15 and 15 is 30. 1 hour and 30